Hello everyone, another simple seafood recipe for you. Hipon with creamy aligue sauce. Let's start cooking! Sobrang simple nating recipe, gisa-gisa lang, and we will have a very delicious recipe na ang sarap with kanin. Kaya simulan natin ito, annatto oil, yan, and butter. Yan. Or if you don't have butter, you can also use margarine. Bawang, onions, minced din. So we want to let all these aromatics blend with our sauce. And luya. Dapat may konting ginger para to brighten up the flavor. And now is the time I will add my aligue paste. Oh, diba? Crab fat. And now, I will add my shrimp. So this is around half a kilo of shrimps. Pwede prawns. Pwede din to alimasag. Pwede din alimango. And to make it creamy, di ba sabi ko creamy nga tong ating gagawin. So we are adding mayonnaise. Ay, kasi ito, yung sauce natin, ulam na rin. To brighten it up a little bit, we will add calamansi or lemon juice. Yan, around 1 to 2 tablespoons. Pero kung may siling pagsigang, gumamit ka din ng siling pangsigang, pwede. Or hot sauce, pwede din. So while waiting for this to cook, don't forget, you can check out my cookbooks, Kitchen Secrets, Baking Simple, and Simple 101 on Lazada and Shopee for local buyers, and of course on Amazon for people around the world. Add to cart na, and the links are down below on the description box. Our shrimp is beginning to cook. Eto siya, you taste your mayonnaise kasi may mayonnaise na matamis, may mayonnaise na hindi matamis. So, if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can add a bit of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Konti lang. Kasi alam mo yung sweetness natin sa ating sauce will really, complement the seafood, ating shrimp. And to give it a nice color, I will use a little bit of soy sauce or patis. Yan. All the flavors are coming together very beautifully. Look at that, very creamy, no? Black pepper, I will have to taste. Pwede mo ito ilagay sa sizzling plate. Very nice. A little salt, just to balance. I'm reserving my appetite for later kasi siguradong mapapa-extra rice ako dito. And of course, if you serve it to someone, mai-in-love sila sa'yo. Kaya eto na, gawin nyo na ang ating recipe for today. Ang ating hipon with creamy aligue sauce. Simple!